I stop. I stop, Tommy.
Nice save.
Ready? Foot back. Yep, there you go.
Nice pass, Joe. See him get this one.
Yeah, baby! He missed!
One. Good looking at the slot there. You just get open, get some shots.
Stay still!
Yeah.
One on behind.
Hey, one on you, one on.
Let's go, let's go. Anybody ready?
You ready, Peyton? Nice look. Yep, skate.
Go! Nice!
What are we doing, boys?
Don't let it happen again!
Dude.
Does that work around?
What's up?
Did you wrap around?
Yeah, I think so. Oh.
Sure that didn't cross the
Yeah.
Come on, man. See that goalie throwing it? See that? No, you're good.
There you go, Josh. Ah.
One on.
That was a prayer. I'll take that. Yeah, one blue. These ones getting like blisters like every time I wear them. So nice stop, Tommy. There you go, Tommy. Nice save. I got it. Yeah, skates. There it is!
Yeah!
Chris. Clam, I got back. Not bad, Tommy. I should have stepped up.
Good shot, Chris.
Oh. Stick with him, boys. Stick with him.
Come on. Running the freaking goalie.
Come on, boys.
Let's go to the crib.
Hey, that's all you, Josh. 1-1-1. 2-2-2. That's it, skate it, Stroll, skate it. Have that shot. Yeah, Josh. Hey, bro, come on. Come on, let's go.
We're good, we're good.
Yeah, maybe it's a good thing we fixed the net. Nice rip.
Go.
Hey, 3-3-3. Yeah. Way to battle through, Chris. Nice job.
Watch in front, somebody in front.
Hey, watch in front.
Get in!
Slot.
Hey!
No. Guys, we got 3 yellow jerseys there out in front of the net. And no blue.
Hey! Get your feet!
Yeah. That's fast. We're battling there, Tommy. Good job, Devin. Stay out of the box. We'll beat him on the scoreboard. There you go, Josh. Good job, Chris.
Let's go, boys.